Hello children, welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to do a topic of English grammar where we are going to study about the auxiliary verbs was and were. Now, where and how we are going to use was and were, let's find out. Basically, the auxiliary verbs are the past form or the helping verb. They add grammatical meaning to the sentence. Let us take for example the sentence, she in England last year. Do you think something is missing in the sentence? The sentence is not grammatically correct. So now if we add was, so now the sentence is, she was in England last year. Now it is a grammatically correct sentence. So how have we made it grammatically correct? By using was. Yes, so was is being used to make the sentence grammatically correct, and it is the auxiliary verb. Moving ahead, we have the use of was. We use was whenever we are talking about any past event. That is, जब हम past में हुई कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use was. Like, I was 2 years old. Now I am 7 years old. तो जब मैं छोटी थी, I was, then I use the word was. And when I am talking about now, present times, then I am using am. So, when we talk about the past event, we use was. Now let us take another example and see how it is used. We are using them with the singular noun and singular pronouns. The singular nouns are he, she, it, and I. We are using the was with he, like he was singing, she was dancing, it was raining, I was sad. So all this we are using with the singular noun and singular pronouns. So remember, we use was with singular noun and pronoun when we are talking about anything in the past. Moving further, we have the use of was, and now we are going to compare it with the present tense so that you can understand better. Now was is used with the past tense. We all know that. Now see, in the present tense we use is, am. Is and am are used with singular noun and pronouns. For example, we are using it with I, like I am. We are using it with she, he. So we say she is, or he is studying, yeah, she is dancing, whatever the sentence may be. But all this is of the present tense. It is. So here we are using is and am both to denote the present tense. Now if we have to say something which has happened in the past, then we make the use of was. Was use करेंगे, remembering that we are using was with singular noun and pronoun. चाहे present tense हो, चाहे past tense हो. When we are using was, is or am, the noun and pronouns are going to be singular. But we have to keep into mind the tense. अगर हम present की बात करेंगे, then we are using I am. And उसी के अगर हम लोग past की बात करेंगे, then we will use I was. तब I am नहीं लगाएंगे. If we have to talk about in the past, तो हम लिखेंगे she was या he was. she is और he is कब लिखते हैं? जब हम present की बात करेंगे. Then we have it was. Again we are talking about the past, so we will use it was, and remembering that we are using it with singular noun and singular pronoun. only here the tense is different. Present tense में we are using is and am, और past tense में we are using was. Now let's move further to understand the use of were. Now where are we using were? When we are talking about any past event. This is same as in the case of was. Were को भी हम तभी use करते हैं when we are talking about something which has happened in the past. Now what is the difference then? Difference is we are using it with the plural noun and the plural pronoun. Was को use कर रहे थे singular noun and pronoun. Were को use करेंगे plural noun and pronouns. Like for example, we, you, they. These are all plural nouns and pronouns. So we are using were with them when we are talking about the past events. Now let us see how we are using them. The use of were. In the slide here, you can see that we are using the were with the present tense or with the past tense. Can you tell me? Yes, we are using were with the past tense. Now see children, when we are using the present tense and we are using the plural nouns and the plural pronouns, we use are. हम लोग किसका use करते हैं? Are का use करते हैं. Like we say, we are, you are, they are. इससे हम सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं like we are playing, you are going to the market, they are sitting, they are jumping. So यहाँ पे we, you, they are all the plural noun and pronoun. और हम कौन से टेंस में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about the present tense. Now when we come to were, जब हम were की बात करते हैं, that means now we are talking about the past tense. Noun and pronoun will remain plural, but now we will say, instead of saying we are, हम अब बोलेंगे we were. You are के जगह आप क्या बोलेंगे? You were. They are के जगह बोलेंगे they were. Like they were playing, you were doing this, we were eating. अभी हम खा चुके हैं, but हम खा रहे थे. We were doing that. So this is the thing which we are doing in the past. So that means हम लोग were use करते हैं when we are talking about the past. When we have done something in the past, we use were. Now here are some more examples for you. Now, first we are talking about the present tense and then we will talk about the past tense. अगर present tense में हम sentence बनाते हैं, the sentence is I am excited. अब इसी को अगर हम past tense में बोलना होगा तो I के साथ क्या लग गया? Was. I was excited. Now second sentence, it is a beautiful night. Now this is the sentence of the present tense. अगर इसी को अब हमको past tense में बनाना पड़ेगा तो क्या करेंगे? It was a beautiful night. Third sentence देखो, we are home. This is a sentence of the present tense. And if we have to make it in the past, we will write we were at home. अभी नहीं है, but we were, थे. So this is about the past. Now the another sentence, they are playing in the park. That means right now they are playing. This is present tense. अब इसी को हमको जब past में बताना होगा, then we will write they were playing in the park yesterday, last night. और if you just write they were playing in the park, it means कि वो park में खेल रहे थे. So now this sorts out the past tense and present tense and the use of was and were. Okay, now children, here are some practice sentences for you all. Let's see how you do them. The first sentence, the girls dash swimming. Yes, correct. The girls were swimming. Now second sentence, you have to use was या फिर were. So now the sentence is what dash you doing. You के संग क्या लगेगा? Were. What were you doing? Now third sentence, I was feeling sad yesterday. Now the fourth sentence, He dash sleeping. He was sleeping. And the last sentence, it dash raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. Excellent. So now children, I hope you have understood how we have to use was and were, and you will be able to complete your sentences and will be able to speak about events in the past using was and were. Thank you class, and have a nice day.